Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into something truly special, transforming your modern farmhouse into a serene, timeless space after Christmas. You know that feeling when the tree comes down and suddenly everything feels a bit empty? We're going to fill that void with clean, intentional design that carries you beautifully into the new year. If you love practical farmhouse inspiration, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below telling me which room you're most excited to refresh. Let's get started. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. After removing Christmas lights and wreaths, focus on the timeless elements that define modern farmhouse charm: board and batten siding, a classic white or warm gray palette, and black metal accents. Consider keeping one simple evergreen wreath on your front door with neutral ribbons or eucalyptus sprigs. Add a pair of galvanized metal planters flanking your entrance filled with winter greenery like boxwoods or ornamental grasses. This creates that coveted, shiplap-chic aesthetic while maintaining year-round appeal. The key is architectural simplicity paired with organic textures that weather beautifully through every season. Your entryway is the hardest working space in your home, so let's give it the attention it deserves. Start with a durable jute or sisal mat with a geometric pattern. This brings in that natural texture farmhouse style craves. Position a reclaimed wood bench with woven storage baskets underneath for shoes and winter accessories. This hidden storage approach keeps clutter at bay while maintaining that airy aesthetic. Above the bench, install a row of matte black hooks at varying heights for coats and bags. This utilitarian approach is pure farmhouse functionality meeting modern design sensibility. Now let's talk about creating visual interest without overwhelming your space. A large-scale mirror with a weathered wood frame or simple black metal becomes your focal point. This reflects natural light and makes your entryway feel more spacious. Flank it with minimal wall sconces in aged brass or matte black for ambient lighting that creates warmth. On a narrow console table below, style a ceramic vase with dried pampas grass or curly willow branches. This organic minimalism brings life without requiring maintenance. Add one meaningful piece, perhaps a vintage-inspired wooden sign with a subtle message that resonates with your family's values throughout the year. After the holiday hustle, your living room deserves a reset into calm, collected beauty. Strip away the reds and greens and embrace the modern farmhouse palette: soft whites, warm grays, natural linens, and touches of black. Your sofa should be the anchor. Think oversized linen or performance fabric in oatmeal or grayish tones. This neutral layering technique allows you to add seasonal accents without major overhauls. Position your furniture to encourage conversation, creating that cozy gathering space farmhouses are famous for. Remember, negative space is just as important as filled space in achieving that clean, breathable aesthetic. Here's where modern farmhouse truly shines. It's all about tactile experiences. Layer your sofa with linen throw pillows in various sizes, mixing solids with subtle patterns like ticking stripes or grain sack-inspired designs. Drape a chunky knit throw in cream or soft gray over one arm. This textural contrast adds depth without color chaos. Your coffee table should be substantial. Reclaimed wood or a whitewashed finish works beautifully. Style it simply: a wooden dough bowl filled with natural elements like pine cones or preserved moss, stacked vintage books, and one sculptural element. On your walls, consider a large-scale black-framed botanical print or abstract art in muted tones. Your dining space should feel like an everyday luxury, not just reserved for holidays. Center your room with a substantial farmhouse table. Whether it's reclaimed wood with visible grain or painted white with distressed details, it should feel collected over time. Pair it with mismatched seating for that curated look, perhaps Windsor-style chairs in black, or upholstered linen seats mixed with a wooden bench. Overhead, a statement chandelier becomes crucial. Think wrought iron, wooden beads, or a modern linear fixture in matte black. This creates your anchor point and draws the eye upward, making your space feel more expansive and intentional. Table decor in the post-holiday season should feel effortless yet elevated. Create a simple centerpiece using a wooden tray or galvanized metal container filled with white pillar candles in varying heights, surrounded by eucalyptus stems or olive branches. This organic symmetry brings life without feeling fussy. Layer in natural linen placemats and napkins in soft neutrals. This is your everyday foundation. Add simple white stoneware or cream-colored dishes that work year-round. A vintage-inspired pitcher filled with seasonal branches on your sideboard completes the look. The goal is lived-in elegance. Beautiful enough for guests, practical enough for Tuesday night dinner. Your kitchen deserves that same post-holiday refresh. If you have white or light-colored cabinetry, you're already embracing the Modern Farmhouse foundation. Swap any holiday dish towels for natural linen or textured cotton in whites, grays, or subtle stripes. Open shelving, one of Farmhouse Design's signatures, should display your most beautiful everyday items. White ironstone, wooden cutting boards standing vertically, and glass canisters filled with pasta or dry goods. This functional display celebrates the beauty and utility. On your countertops, keep only what you use daily. A vintage-style canister set, a marble or wooden cutting board, and perhaps a small wooden bowl with fresh lemons or greenery. Let's style those special kitchen moments. Your coffee station becomes a mini focal point. Position your coffee machine on a small tray with a ceramic mug tree, a glass jar of coffee beans, and a tiny potted succulent or herbs in a galvanized container. Above your stove, ensure your range hood is styled minimally. Perhaps a simple garland of eucalyptus or a pair of small wooden corbels if your design allows. Replace any colorful items on your refrigerator with a clean facade, magnets and coordinating finishes if needed. The editing process in farmhouse design means each item earns its place, creating visual rest for your eyes and mind. Your family room is where real life happens, so it needs to be both beautiful and bulletproof. Position your flat-screen TV above a simple console or vintage-inspired media cabinet in distressed white or natural wood. This grounds your entertainment zone while maintaining farmhouse charm. Flank the TV with simple decor. Matching white ceramic lamps or wooden candlesticks create balance without fuss. Your seating should prioritize comfort. A large sectional in durable fabric with plenty of throw pillows and blankets. Add a vintage trunk as a coffee table. It provides storage and character. This room embraces relaxed refinement, where family movie nights happen in beautiful surroundings. Create zones within your family room for different activities. In one corner, position a comfortable reading chair, perhaps a leather accent chair or slip-covered wingback, with a floor lamp featuring an adjustable arm for task lighting. This establishes your quiet corner for reading or afternoon coffee. Add a small side table with a wooden tray for beverages. On your walls, create a gallery wall with black frames in various sizes, mixing family photos with botanical prints and perhaps a vintage map. This curated collection tells your family's story while maintaining cohesion through matching frames. Layer in a jute or wool rug with subtle pattern to anchor the space and add warmth underfoot. As we settle into the new year, many of us need a dedicated workspace that doesn't sacrifice style. Choose a compact writing desk in reclaimed wood or painted white with simple lines. This embraces minimalist functionality. Position it near a window for natural light, which is crucial for both productivity and well-being. On the desk, keep only essentials. A vintage-inspired desk lamp with brass or bronze accents, a ceramic pencil holder, and perhaps a small succulent in a white pot. Add a unique small desk clock, maybe something with Roman numerals or a distressed finish that serves as both function and sculptural element. Mount floating shelves above for frequently used books and attractive storage boxes in natural materials. Your home office storage should work as hard as you do while looking effortlessly curated. Use woven baskets on lower shelves for papers and supplies. This concealed storage maintains visual calm. Display vintage-inspired office supplies. Glass jars for paper clips, wooden letter trays, linen file folders in neutral tones. Add one personal element that inspires you. Perhaps a small vintage radio that actually plays music, creating ambience while you work. This brings that farmhouse, collected over time feeling. On the wall, consider a large-scale monthly calendar in a simple black frame or a cork board with a whitewashed frame for an inspiration board, where you can pin ideas, quotes, and visual motivation throughout the year. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated space for slowing down. If you have a corner near a window, you've found your reading nook. Position a comfortable upholstered chair, perhaps in natural linen or a soft chenille, with a generous ottoman for putting your feet up. This creates your slow living space, so important in our rushed world. Add a small side table in reclaimed wood or painted white for your coffee cup and current book stack. Drape a chunky knit throw over the chair arm and layer a couple of lumbar pillows for back support. Above, install a wall-mounted reading lamp with an adjustable arm, or place a tall floor lamp beside the chair. Let's elevate this space into something truly special. Install simple floating shelves nearby to display your favorite books with covers facing out. This becomes art and library combined. Add a small indoor plant on the top shelf, perhaps a pothose trailing down or a fiddle leaf fig if you have the light. On the floor, layer a soft wool or cotton rug in natural tones to define the space and add warmth. If your nook is near a window, consider simple linen curtains in white or soft gray that filter light beautifully. This layered lighting approach, natural plus task lighting, creates flexibility for different times of day. The result is your personal sanctuary that beckons you to pause and breathe. Your bedroom refresh starts with the bed itself. Invest in quality white or neutral linen bedding. Layer a textured duvet or matelass coverlet over crisp white sheets. This hotel-inspired approach feels luxurious while remaining practical. Add European square pillows behind your standard pillows for dimension, and finish with a subtle patterned lumbar pillow or two throw pillows in natural linen. Your bed frame should make a statement. Consider a reclaimed wood headboard, white painted iron, or upholstered linen in a simple silhouette. Flank the bed with matching nightstands in wood or painted white, topped with simple ceramic lamps in neutral tones. This symmetrical arrangement creates calm and balance, essential for restful sleep. Beyond the bed, your bedroom needs thoughtful details. Hang simple linen or cotton curtains in white or natural tones that puddle slightly on the floor. This soft window treatment adds elegance without fuss. On your dresser, style a wooden tray with your everyday jewelry, a small ceramic dish, and a stem or two of eucalyptus in a bud vase. Above the dresser, hang a large-scale mirror in a wood or black metal frame to reflect light and visually expand your space. Add a cozy throw blanket draped over a bench at the foot of your bed or a vintage ladder leaning against the wall. On the floor, layer a natural fiber rug, jute or sisal, under your bed extending out on all sides. This grounds your space in texture and warmth. Now we arrive at today's star, the bathroom that inspired this whole video. After Christmas, your bathroom should feel like a spa retreat. Start with the color palette. White shiplap or subway tile walls, warm wood tones, and black metal accents create that signature modern farmhouse look. Your vanity should be substantial. White painted cabinetry or natural wood with visible grain. Top it with a thick marble or quartz countertop in white or soft gray. Install a rectangular vessel sink or classic undermount style, paired with a matte black or brushed bronze faucet. This mixed metal approach adds sophistication. Above the vanity, hang a large wooden framed mirror or a simple black metal design. Flank it with vertical sconces in matching finish for even, flattering task lighting. Your shower area deserves equal attention. Install white subway tile in a classic brick pattern with dark grout for subtle contrast. This is pure farmhouse DNA. Add a built-in niche for shampoo storage to maintain clean lines. Choose a matte black shower fixture set. This bold hardware creates stunning visual impact against white tile. For your floor, consider large format white or light gray tiles, or classic hexagon tiles in white for vintage charm. On open shelving or in glass front cabinets, display rolled white towels, woven baskets for toiletries, and maybe a small potted plant like a snake plant that thrives in bathroom humidity. On your countertop, use a ceramic tray to corral everyday items. Hand soap in a glass dispenser, a small succulent, and a pretty candle. This functional styling keeps surfaces clear while looking intentional. Don't overlook your garage. It's part of your home's ecosystem. Paint walls in a light, neutral color to maximize brightness. Install a pegboard system painted in matte black or white for tool storage. This creates visual organization that's both practical and attractive. Use matching containers or bins on sturdy metal shelving units, labeled for easy identification. If space allows, create a small workbench area with a butcher block or painted wood surface. Add task lighting overhead with simple black metal fixtures. On the floor, consider interlocking tiles or a durable epoxy coating in neutral tones. The goal is a garage that feels intentional rather than forgotten, a space you're proud to open, not hide. Your outdoor space needs post-holiday love too. On your farmhouse patio, embrace durable furniture that echoes interior style. Black metal chairs with neutral cushions, or wooden Adirondack chairs with weathered finish. Create an outdoor living room with a seating arrangement around a simple fire pit or on a vintage-inspired outdoor rug. Hang string lights with Edison bulbs overhead for ambient lighting. This outdoor chandelier effect extends your living space. Add galvanized metal planters with evergreen shrubs or early blooming hellebores. On a console table against your house, style lanterns in varying heights with LED candles, a wooden tray, and maybe a vintage watering can with fresh branches. This space becomes your three-season room, ready whenever the weather cooperates. Friends, we've journeyed through every corner of your modern farmhouse, creating clean, timeless spaces that will carry you beautifully through the entire year. The secret to post-Christmas farmhouse design is embracing what this style does best, celebrating natural materials, functional beauty, and spaces that feel collected rather than decorated. Remember, Modern Farmhouse isn't about trends. It's about creating a home that breathes, welcomes, and endures. If you found inspiration in today's tour, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design wisdom. Comment below and tell me which space you're tackling first. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love living in. Happy designing!